I flipped social work into passports and paychecks. Yeah, I said it because nobody told us this field could fund freedom. So I took my degree, my care work, my classroom skills, and built a life that pays me to live abroad. Yep, I lived abroad, and if things ain't gonna continue to go right for us 300,000 plus black women who've been pushed out the workplace, I'm gonna do it again. And it's important to not wait for these systems that don't believe in us, that are really pushing us out in the face of what? Say it again, an authoritarian regime. Yes, right here in America, that's happening. Yes, it is. And with that being said, it's like, so how are you gonna take care of yourself in different ways where they're telling us to not show up in this space? I definitely have done the work of like DEI, all of that work, and definitely feels like, as Forbes.com says, a scarlet letter. But wait. But if you're a social worker, healer, public health, or just tired of being underpaid and overworked, you can do it too. Let me teach you. I actually have great workshops happening this weekend. It's in the bio, definitely under Dream Care Practice. It's my beacons. Definitely store there. Check it out. There's so many resources in there, y'all. I'm trying to tell you, I have been what? An international social worker, clinical social worker. I've been and still am I've been a grad school adjunct professor. I've done work in medical social work. I've done work, in policy. I've done work in levels of what else? I think, entrepreneurship. Oh my gosh, entrepreneurship. I have private practice. Also have done consulting. Like, y'all, there is ways to do this. And I just want to say, yes, I'm a social worker, but if you want to learn from social workers here, listen to us. And if you want to learn for a person, yeah, that's me and us fellow women and femmes who voted 92%. Oh, okay, we about that life? Yes, we're about that life. With that being stated, for those, I hope you listen, because these are ways that you can navigate during these times of horrific, just being disconnected from resources and all of that. This is a time, y'all, to think about ways to navigate beyond what we know, beyond this American dream that we thought we had to live. I'm trying to tell you, this is a great way to navigate different ways of being. But most of all, I think the first place to start is to start with knowing that you are in a space to begin thinking about dreaming beyond what you've been taught. And I think that's the greatest resource right now, is like navigating that sometimes it's really about being in a place where it's bigger than just what you've been taught, right? And I think that's the hardest struggle, is like the mindset of like, oh my gosh, like what if I fail? And what if you win? I left America going to Southeast Asia, and you could ask my mama, I only had like a couple $100s until that first check came in for my school teaching abroad. Yeah, but it led me so much more. It was a lot to think about, and it was heavy, but it was a great opportunity, and it still continues to pay me. And it still is an opportunity for me to help other folks during this time. We're going to need each other, y'all. We have to start thinking about this for real. So I hope that you give it a try. Check it out in my bio. Again, Dream Care Practice on my beacons. There are many great resources, but check out the workshops that's happening on Friday and Saturday, Friday evening and Saturday. It's only $27. Really cool, great opportunity. And you get to have an opportunity to join a raffle for a 3-day, 2-night, with my community partner, Daniel's Leisure Travel. I'm so grateful for them. And also you get to have a $100 restaurant savings card that everyone will get, which is what we need during these times, just to save some more funds, and then be in a place where you just get to know more and more about what it is to think about life beyond the traditional way. Because I must tell you, it's disappearing. It's been disappeared for a while. All right, I'll holler at y'all soon and see you there.